If your condo board won't address mold in your building, you have a lot of different issues going on. First is the health impact. And always the best advice is you need to see a doctor if you believe you're having a medical issue. Seek medical care. Secondly, you need to take the issue really seriously. The condo board should be taking the issues really seriously. Typically, if there's mold within the unit, it's because there is an outside source of a leak, allowing water to intrude into a unit, damaging things such as common elements, insulation, drywall. We've seen cases where we peel back a piece of drywall and see just horrifying amounts of black mold behind walls. So if a condo board detects mold, what they need to be doing is an investigation as to what's causing the leak, and they need to stop the leak, and they need to do what's called remediation on all of the damaged drywall, insulation, common elements. Typically, drywall is actually a common element that associations need to fix no matter what the cause of the leak is. This is one of the things our firms really focus on. Maintenance issues, water infiltration, mold affecting units. We're able to recover up not only for the cost of the damages, but also to force associations to fix the issue. So it's a serious problem that associations need to take seriously. Homeowners need to take seriously as well. Give us a call. We're happy to get on the phone with you and discuss the issue and try to find help for you.